Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2018 through 2022 and likely beyond Hyundai Kona with factory installed flush side rails. This system includes three different components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. So these components have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet, which will help guide the installation. And I'll demonstrate with one of the feet. So here we have the Evo Flush Rail foot, and I'll go ahead and remove the outer cover. And with the cover removed, you can see there's a threaded post here. Now the components of the fit kit not only have numbers assigned to them, but there's also letters. And the letters will guide you in the correct order of installation. So the inner bracket is A, and so we'll go ahead and install that first. The rubber base is B, so we'll put that on next. It just presses to the underside of the foot. And then the outer bracket is C, and that just attaches as you see. And then we have the barrel fastener, which will just thread that on to hold those parts in place. So the next step is to install the foot onto the bar. So here we have the Thule WingBar Evo Load Bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a track along the top of the bar. That track is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide approved hardware into the track, and that's what you can mount the certain accessories to directly to the bar for a clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar, you have a slot. I'll go ahead and remove the end cap, and within the slot you can see we have a measuring device. That measuring device has numbers. These numbers are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those to manually help to center the load bars when installing on the roof of the vehicle. Now we'll go ahead and install the foot into the bar, and at this step we'd go ahead and reinstall the end cap. When you're maneuvering the roof, the crossbars with the loose feet, the end cap will help keep the feet from sliding off the end of the bar. Okay, when it's time to attach the rack to the side rails, Thule has provided a tool, and that tool allows you to tighten that barrel fastener, and that will not only be tightening the brackets to the side rail, but also tightening the foot to the load bar all simultaneously. This tool, it has a unique handle, which once it's fully tightened, will click, and that indicates that you've reached the maximum tightness. Generally, you tighten about 50% on each side, and you ramp up the tension until you get to the full tension here, and you'll hear it click. Okay. And so the next step is you'll notice there is some exposed slot at the underside of the bar. We can fill that in with rubber that's included with the load bars, and that will help to maintain the good airflow and aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the outer cover, and that just clicks into place. There's a plastic plug here. Give that a quarter turn, that'll hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder to provide a higher level of theft deterrent. These lock cylinders are sold in matched sets so that you can have your complete roof rack and potentially other carriers and accessories all key matched with one key for convenience. All right, well, those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos on our YouTube channel, and we upload new videos weekly. If you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.